Good morning and welcome to my practice. From my previous video, you've heard that my office also practices immigration law. So I've been encouraged by my clients to record a video with my 2 cents on the recent immigration raids and Tom Homan's as the border czar and his recent actions. So I think it comes as no surprise that President Trump is making true on his promise to report the illegal aliens with the major focus on the criminal element. So what are my 2 cents? First and foremost, it will take Tom Homan and his entire team about 12 to 18 months to remove most of the criminal illegal aliens. So for the time being, if you do not have a criminal record, you don't have to worry at this time about being deported. Second, do not associate yourself with criminal illegal aliens. If your own situation isn't squared away, is not resolved, is in limbo, or is nowhere, do not associate yourself with the criminal elements. If you live with someone who has a criminal record, tell them to move out, or better yet, you move out and change your address. I see all these videos on X and TikTok from other immigration attorneys advising you not to open the door to ICE. And I think it's a stupid advice. And why do I think that? First of all, President Trump just deputized all the other federal law enforcement agencies to help ICE. So you're not only dealing with ICE, you're going to be dealing with the ATF, you're going to be dealing with the FBI. They have been all deputized to help round up the criminal element of illegal aliens with substantial criminal records. And please keep in mind, we're now talking about murderers, rapists, child abusers, child molesters. They will eventually move down the ladder of criminal acts to DUIs and thefts. But for now, they're focused on terrorists and the worst of the worst. If you have a case pending with USCIS, and it can be anything from I-130, family sponsorship, U visa, VAWA, asylum, you need to carry with you that receipt showing that you have a case pending. Make multiple copies of that receipt. Put it in your car, in every pen pocket, in your purse, in your wallet, have it on your phone. I'm not saying that it will save you if you happen to be swept up with some criminal person. However, it will signal to the USCIS or to ICE in this particular respect that you have a case pending. And maybe, just maybe, they will leave you alone. Again, having a receipt does not entitle you to any immigration protections. It does not put any relief, any immigration relief in your corner, but it will signal to ICE that you are in the system. Some of you probably were already fingerprinted, and you might want to carry that fingerprinting receipt with you as well, because now under Trump's administration, they want all illegal aliens to be fingerprinted and documented in a sense that they want a record of you. So sooner or later, people will be fingerprinted. And if they already know you're in the system, that that changes the dynamic of the conversation. Lastly, everyone is scared of ICE. Like I said, ICE right now will not touch you if you're a law-abiding person, even though it sounds like an oxymoron, because the minute you cross the border illegally, you're no longer a law-abiding person. However, if you have not committed a criminal offense while in this country or do not have a warrant with Interpol or any other agency, you should be okay. What you should worry about is not ICE. What you should worry about is your family members, your significant others, your coworkers who know your situation, but for some reason get really upset with you. Let's say you have a partner and you have a huge fight, and your partner is a US citizen or a green card holder, and you're not. Nothing prevents that person from calling the ICE hotline and reporting you to ICE. So ICE in itself might sound scary, but like I told you, they're now focused on the hardcore criminal, illegal aliens, not necessarily you. However, nothing prevents an ordinary person who knows your situation to pick up the phone and make an anonymous phone call to ICE and say, hey, Alicia Gonzalez is here illegally. She lives at such and such address. You need to go pick her up because she is a danger to society. Maybe ICE will react to it. Maybe they won't. But that is your greater fear than actually ICE knocking at your door at this time. So, like I said, these are my 2 cents. My contact information is on the screen. Please call my office with any questions and stay safe out there.